Hello viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hi, video blog for beginners. Stage 5. Growing your audience. If you are keen to make money video blogging, then you will need to grow your audience. Successful vloggers have tens, if not hundreds, of thousands of subscribers, and these tips will help you in reaching that level of success. 1. Target keywords in your videos. YouTube is officially the world's second largest search engine. So you should approach it with many of the same SEO principles you use in trying to rank in Google. And perhaps the biggest is including keywords in your videos. Whenever you create a new video, it's a good idea to do keyword research and see what sorts of videos your audience are searching for. Moz Keywords Explorer. Moz Keywords Explorer. Now that you have your keywords, use them strategically in your videos. This includes in your titles, ideally towards the start. Throughout your video, YouTube analyzes and understands what you say in your video, so use your keyword and variants of it throughout the video. In the video description, write a short description of the video of around 100 to 200 words, and include the keyword as well as variations here as well. 2. Consistency is king. Video blogging platforms favor those channels that regularly produce new content. So rather than creating videos as and when, it's good to be consistent in your approach. This also helps in growing a loyal following, as people like to know when to expect new videos of yours to watch. 3. Comment on other vlogs and blogs. A simple way to increase exposure for your video blog is to take time to comment on other people's videos and blog posts. I'm not talking about writing typical spammy comments that you see plastered all over YouTube these days. I'm talking about making real and interesting comments that offer insight into what you have just read or watched. Don't leave a comment for the sake of it, as it is easy to spot someone who is not so genuine. Take note, but leaving useful comments and thoughts helps increase your exposure to other viewers, whilst also initiating a relationship with the creator of that video. It's best to focus on commenting on other video blogging channels that are most closely related to your own. That way you can be sure that the viewers and creator are more closely aligned with you. 4. Grow your other social media channels. The great thing about social media is that all platforms complement each other. If you can grow a successful Instagram channel, then it's natural that you can direct your followers from there over to your vlog. If you have a blog, then start embedding videos into blog posts. A vlog is a great way to complement the content you produce on these other platforms. If you don't already have any other social media channels, then there's no time like the present. But rather than trying to do everything at once, pick one or two other platforms to grow alongside your vlog and expand from there. 4. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Just because you are trying to become a successful vlogger, and so is everyone else in your niche, it doesn't mean you are all trying to beat each other. On the flip side, YouTube's audience is so vast these days that there is room for plenty of successful vloggers in every niche. So there is a lot to be gained in collaborating with fellow YouTubers and helping to build each other's audiences. A great way to do this is with a regular interview segment on your vlog. Once a month, you could host an interview with a fellow vlogger about their experience in your niche. Check out Creative Ideas channel video sharing some great examples of collaboration with fellow YouTubers. It is a win-win as they get exposure through your channel, and you get to create new and interesting content. Better yet, they should hopefully share the interview with their audience, so their followers can check you out and hopefully subscribe to your vlog. Find some tips for prolific content creation in my video. 5. Focus on your brand. As your vlog starts to grow, be aware that what you are really trying to build is a brand. That brand could be a company name, or the brand could be you. It doesn't matter. Either way, make sure that your brand is front and center and obvious to everyone visiting your channel. We have discussed earlier the use of graphics and buffers in your videos. But you can also produce professional logos and other channel art which will help attract more subscribers by making you appear much more sophisticated. 6. Look for feedback. When you start your vlog, you are going to make mistakes. It's that simple. It certainly won't be perfect and you will do all sorts wrong. That is 100% natural and to be expected. And when others give you criticism, you need to take it on board. In fact, I would go so far as to actively encourage criticism and feedback, especially from friends and relatives. Ask them to check out your videos and tell you what they think. Without realizing it, your video quality may be a little sloppy, or maybe the audio is patchy, or perhaps your whole branding sucks. It doesn't matter, but what does matter is spotting these things early on and fixing them. 7. Test. Test, test. This is perhaps the most important video blogging tip of all. Always be testing. Whenever you have new ideas for your channel, give them a go. If you've spent 6 weeks putting out the same videos and you're not seeing any results, it's time to mix things up and try something new. Hot tip: change the camera positioning, change your location, change your titles, change your color schemes. Keep testing different aspects of your vlog until you find things that do make a change, and then double down on those. Conclusion: challenge yourself today to give vlogging a go. Write down a quick plan of what you'd like to say, then record a short vlog just holding your smartphone like you're taking a selfie. I'm sure you'll find it's not as bad as you expected. Like most endeavors, vlogging is a skill you can learn. And the first videos of some of the best vloggers today were not masterpieces, with many still available to watch on YouTube. In fact, here's one of mine from 9 years ago. Browse your favorite vlogger's account and scroll back to when they first started. You'll see some amateur attempts with all sorts of mistakes. Watching these early videos will give you the encouragement you need to give it a go yourself. So work through the tips in this article and start your vlog today. Good luck. If you want to see more videos, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.